Yeah, I did? Yeah. But did it work? No. I knew it wasn't going to work. It's crazy that all that banana stuff happened, though. What? What do you mean? Well, I mean, there were all those bananas spinning around, and then all those voices talking about bananas, and then that little banana guy came in.
Oh. I guess we just weren't paying attention.
Yeah. Man, this is stupid. Drugs don't work. Let's go play outside.
Yeah.